Have you ever been inside a church and seen people light a candle in front of Jesus, Mary, or a saint? Have you ever wondered why they do that? In today's video, we're going to learn, why do Catholics light candles? Hi, I'm your catechist. Welcome to this series where we learn about our Catholic faith. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now let's begin. Have you ever lit a birthday candle and made a wish? Well, lighting a candle in church is a bit like that, except instead of making a wish, we're talking to God. We light a candle to show we're praying about something, like asking for help or thanking God for something. When we light a candle, we're offering a small flame to God, just like we offer our love, our thanks, or our special intentions. The flame also reminds us that Jesus is the light of the world. He said, "I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life." John 8:12. Our prayers are like light that shine in the darkness. Sometimes people light many candles to show how much they love God, or to show how serious they are about their prayer. For example, if someone is getting ready for an important test at school, they might light a candle and ask Jesus for help. Or if someone is sick, we can light a candle and pray for them to get well soon. We can even light a candle and thank God for all the good things we have, like our family, our friends, or the roof over our heads. Lighting a candle is a wonderful way to talk to God and ask for His help. Even when we leave the church, the candle stays and keeps our prayer going. Now, let's repeat after me. A little flame, a little prayer. Jesus sees it everywhere. Shining bright, it lights the way. I pray to you, dear Lord, today. Now let's say a prayer together. Dear Jesus, thank you for being the light in our lives. Help me to shine with your love. When I light a candle, may it be a sign of my faith and my prayer. Amen. So kids, remember, when we light a candle, it's not just wax and fire. It's a beautiful way to say, Jesus, I'm thinking of you. I believe. I pray. Next time you see a candle burning in church, think about how it's a reminder of the special love that we have for God. He loves us so much that He sent His only Son, Jesus, to be the light of the world. It's just like the candle flame. Jesus helps us bring light into the darkness and shows us the way to God. Thanks for watching this episode of Catechism for Kids. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments section what you thought of the video. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you next time on Catechism for Kids.